Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain how to choose the best Shopify theme for your store. So to get started with that, choosing the best Shopify themes for your store start with understanding your brand, your product range, and how you want customers to experience your site. So begin by visiting the Shopify theme store where you can filter themes by industries, features, and layout style. Also, you can preview themes using the view demo button to see how they look in action. Look for themes that offer mobile customization, fast loading speed, and built-in features that match your need. Also, like product filtering, quick view, or customizable section. So if you are selling a visual rich product, go for the themes with a large image space. If you are running a text-heavy store, choose a cleaner and minimalistic layout. So once you find a themes that fits your store and functionality need, click try themes to preview it and with the actual products before publishing. Shopify also gives the access to both free and paid themes. From free themes are great for beginners, while paid ones are usually offered more flexibility and support. Don't forget to read reviews and check when the themes was last updated to make sure it's currently and well supported. And that's it.